Do you have a restricted diet?
Yes?
Does it prevent you from enjoying meals?
Yeah, life basically sucks right now.
Then you need to Get Saucy. It's the best way to make delicious meals for restricted diets.
Okay, wait. Is this where you tell me I need to cook a full meal from scratch because I don't have the skills or the time?
Not at all. Just grab one of our jars and see for yourself. By following your diet, you can be symptom-free, but the food is boring and you spend way too much time in the kitchen. But when you get saucy, you feel great, and those lost flavors you never thought you'd be able to taste again are waiting for you inside. Welcome to your flavor fantasy.
Wow.
I'm sure you've been told that your favorite globally inspired meals are impossible to make without those ingredients you can't have, right?
Of course, but why do I get the feeling you're about to tell me something that's gonna blow my mind?
Well, we'd like you to meet someone who came along and revolutionized everything. This is Master Chef Suhan. With an impressive background from working in Michelin star restaurants to cooking private dinners for some of the world's most important people.
Impressive.
Possessing an encyclopedic knowledge of ingredients, this hero said no to the rules and sought out to make the world's best sauces compliant even with the most limiting diets. Like the brilliant madman he is, he sourced only the best fully organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, nightshade-free, preservative-free ingredients and didn't stop until he bent the flavors to his will and perfected the most delicious sauces that anyone and everyone can eat.
Smells heavenly.
Finally, you can experience all of your favorite foods again at no detriment to your health.
Enjoy.
Drum roll, please. There's a reason why so many people are raving about our sauces.
So good.
They're not only delicious, but they're nutrient dense, and making a meal is easy. Just cook your carbs, protein, add your sauce, and then boom! You and your friends and your family can enjoy a meal with less than 15 minutes of prep time.
Just so we're clear, this is NFS.
NFS?
Not for sharing.
Okay, understood. Help bring these sauces to market. The more support we get, the more we can make. And we've got plans for more sauces, condiments, seasonings, dressings, and more. How are those coming along, Chef?
It's come along nicely. Be patient.
Love to hear it. So back our Kickstarter campaign and experience your meals in a whole new way. Get Saucy. Eat different. Feel different.